great if you've got your cameras with you. Take a look at this when the flame goes on. What a spectacle that is. Ladies and gentlemen, Ronnie Picardo with the heat wave, Kenworth Jet Funny car. Well, I think that's warmed us all up a little bit. Thank you very much, Ronnie. Thanks, Gary and the team down there. Young Mr. H as well. Look at that up there. Ronnie's doing his cross now. Look. Realised he's got a lot of fuel to play with and burn. He's going to make the most of it, is that man. Ever the showman. I have to tell you as well, it's not the kind of track now that you could go out with treaded tyres and feel very confident on, because all the glue and the treatment on the track, the water just sits right on top of it. It's a little bit like a skip pad out there, and no exaggeration to say, you would have trouble getting your street car down the track at any rate of knots.